welcome to the first installment of Revolutionary Minutes. This video series from Quincy Historical Society and Quincy 400 aims to honor and celebrate the 250th anniversary of the American Revolution. Between now and July 2026, we will be reporting periodically on revolutionary events, both significant and obscure, here in Massachusetts and beyond. We begin 250 years ago today. In one of the most consequential misjudgments in history, on May 10, 1773, Britain's King George III gives his royal assent to the Tea Act, thereby making it law. The act bails out the British East India Company, giving them a monopoly on tea exported to the American colonies. By reducing the price of tea while retaining a tax on it, the King and Parliament hope to confirm Parliament's supremacy over the colonies while splitting their opponents in America. Their timing is atrocious. In statements made to the Massachusetts Assembly, Royal Governor Thomas Hutchinson has just managed to step in a political hornet's nest and rekindle opposition to royal rule. Meanwhile, a whistleblower leak is about to reveal letters that will confirm for Americans their suspicions of a parliamentary conspiracy against their liberties. The Tea Act provokes Americans to a thorough and widespread opposition. With the Tea Act, the King and Parliament have lit the fuse that will lead to the American Revolution. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll join us for the next Revolutionary Minute.